Hi friends, in this video I am going to teach you a strategy that has a very high profit rate. In this strategy, I use two indicators. Please watch this video carefully to the end because I have explained very small points in this video to eliminate and minimize fake signals. If you follow all the points mentioned in this video carefully, you can achieve a very high success rate in your trades by trading with this strategy. We must first convert the chart candlesticks to Heikin Ashi. Next, we need to add the Chandelier exit indicator to the chart. To use this indicator, we must make changes in its settings to optimize the indicator, so be sure to watch this video carefully to the end so that you do not miss any points and you can learn the strategy correctly. As you can see, there are some fake signals if you use this indicator in the default mode, especially when the chart moves sideways. In the indicator settings and from the tab style, deactivate all other options except buy label and sell label. Put the buy label on the below bar and the sell label on the above bar. Now in the input tab, change the ATR period to 1 and the ATR multiplier to 1.85 and disable the use close price option. Now the indicator signal type has changed and the fake signals have decreased. Now to remove the fake signals we use the RSI indicator with the new settings. From the indicator section, it adds two RSI indicators to the chart. Now we have to make some changes in the RSI settings. We change the RSI length to 100 and in the Style tab we also deactivate the RSI-based MA. We change the RSI length value of the second RSI indicator to 25. Now we have to combine both RSI indicators. To do this, we have to click on 3 points and then select Move to and then Existing pane below. Now both RSI indicators should have the same scale. To do this, click on the 3 dots again and select Pin to Scale Z from the Pin to Scale section. Now we have to do this again for the second RSI. Now our trading strategy is ready. The strategy is extremely profitable. So now, the conditions of trading with this strategy are such that when the first indicator issues a signal, we must get confirmation from the double RSI. For example, when the sell signal indicator is issued, we should wait for the RSI 25 line, which is yellow, to cross the RSI 100 line downwards. And if the buy signal indicator is issued, we should wait for the RSI 25 line to cross the RSI 100 line upwards. So, with double RSI we can identify and remove fake signals. Now let's test the strategy on the Bitcoin chart and see how this strategy works in the crypto market. Now let's see how strategy works on Ethereum chart. Like this video and encouraged me to continue working. In the next video I will teach another profitable the strategy, so be sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to be notified when I upload the next video.